Hello, welcome to Excel Magic Master course where you will be converting data into dazzling dashboards. This course is made interactive and purely for the beginners who want to upgrade their dashboarding skills. Here it is the journey roadmap for your three modules: data cleaning, mastering pivot table, and creating visual dashboards. Here, meet your three trainers who will be teaching you the whole journey of this, which believes data needs a globe. Here first meet your Captain Clean Sheet who will be starting you the data cleaning. Here what he designed the roadmap for you, which contains 5 lessons having different themes and the learning outlines. However, you will be learning much more than this and become a wizard out of this. Meet your module 2 professor who is Professor Pivot, who will be mastering you the pivot tables. Here what he designed for you, which also contains the 5 lessons which have their themes purely designed to you to master your pivot tables at a beginner stage. Now meet your last and the final Dr. Dashboard who will give life to your data. Here what he designed for you for module 3, which also contains the 5 lessons having their themes pretty much clear obviously, and then learning outcomes, but you will be covering a lot more than this. So are you ready to start to become data newbie to visualization pro? Let's get started.